Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting of prosperity for all of you. My name is Safika Nurul Izati from grade 12 in nursing assistant at SMKS Kesehatan Putra Borneo Nunukan, North Kalimantan Province. As a participant in the LKS competition in the field of health and social nursing competition, I will present an education video on basic life support to all Indonesians, especially the people of North Kalimantan Province. Basic life support are some of the simple ways you can temporarily sustain someone's life. BLS and CPR are only profit for victims who experience respiratory and cardiac arrest. There are several things that should be considered before providing basic life support, namely the assessment step. A. Condition assessment, aiming to get a general picture of the events. 1. How condition happened. 2. Probably what will happen. 3. How to solve it. At location. 1. Ensure personal safety, victim, and environment. 2. Self-introduction, helper must training. 3. Determine the general state of events and start doing a self-assessment. 4. Recognize and treat life-threatening disorders. 2. Examination of patient response before the sign of pain does not respond. 3. Make sure the airways is open if good response, head till chin lift, doesn't jaw thrust. 4. Assess breathing, look, listen, feel. 5. Assess circulation and stop bleeding. 6. Call for help, introduction, and explaining the victim view, the position and cause of the victim and what will take the help worker to come and mention the helper's mobile number. Before doing RGP, the helper must 1. Determine the absence of response. 2. Determine the presence of absence of breath. 3. Determine the absence of pulse. Procedure of RGP. 1. The helper's kneels beside the victim's neck and shoulders. 2. Determine of location the pressure point using the fingers. 3. Place 1 helper's palm on the pressure point and press the second palm on top of the second palm. 4. Ensure that the helper's elbow is straight at a go danger angle. 5. Apply pressures of approximately 5 to 6 mdip 30 times at a rate of 1 to 2 pressure per second. 6. Using upper body strength, do not rely on arm strength to generate strong pressure. 7. Check if there are possible signs of breathing. If the yawning has not opened the airways, heads, TCL or jaw thrust, and give artificial breath. 8. If you haven't, I give a second artificial breath and breathe the process of pressing the chest 30 times followed by twice artificial breath I cycle. 9. Place victim in a recovery position if there is no neck supine on other injury. When did the RGP stop? 1. When there is response from the victim. 2. When the rescuer is exhausted. 3. When the health workers arrive. And 4. When the victim is dead. And one more thing that must be known, namely the charge of rescue. Point 1. Speed in request for assistance. 2. CPR. 3. Fibrillate performed by trained medical personnel. 4. Advanced life support.
Miriam.
Oh, okay. Introduce me. I am Syafika Nurul-Izati from Nursing Assistant for Height High School has been trained to do first aid. Am I allowed to take action?
Oh, it's okay.
For everyone, please a little away from the patient.
Okay.
Sis, sis.
Good afternoon. With whom can I help you?
Hello, I am Syafika for a nursing assistant for Health High School. I found a patient on the side on the road who suddenly fell unconscious.
Less than 20 minutes, I arrived at the location. Please just mention the number phone that I can call.
In front of the Masjid Al-Huda, Ahmad Yani Street, while I will check the patient condition. I guess how long I will take the help wireless to come. And my call phone number is 0556. Sis, sis. Okay, good friends, may be useful for all of us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.